Hi, this is Margie Connolly with the law firm of Margaret McCullough Connolly, and I'm here to talk to you today about how COVID-19 has changed the practice of law in 2020, something that everyone is probably interested in. I know that this has been a year of many changes. If you have children in school, or if you are a teacher or an educator, you know that many changes have happened this year that have changed the way we do business. And the legal profession is no different. So when the COVID-19 pandemic first became a major concern to our community and to our country, many businesses just closed down. That included law firms, that included courthouses, large public gatherings were canceled, and for a few weeks we had no in-person court at all. Then the courts started doing their hearings, because the court has to go on, the legal system has to go on, and hearings started happening through video conference. Both contested and uncontested matters were heard on video conference. We still have not had jury trials by video conference. That is just not something that's probably going to happen in the legal world, but the video conference hearings, mediations are things that the courts have said has really helped expedite cases, and is something that expedites convenience and safety for the participants, meaning the lawyers, the witnesses, and the parties to the case, as well as court staff and judges. And so this is something that's probably going to continue in the future, at least in terms of an option for uncontested hearings. Big change in the way we do business, but something that clients probably are comforted to know, even though technology may seem a little scary. The fact that you don't have to drive to the courthouse and park and go through the metal detector and wait with many dozens of other people in line for your hearing, it can actually be a more convenient, more safe, and more friendly way of getting yourself heard by a judge and by a court. So some of the courts are opening for in-person, so sometimes it is an option to go in person to court with all of the safety protocols, the masks, and the social distancing, and the keeping the number of people in the courtroom at a bare minimum. Also continuing are the law firms like mine, offering video conferences for meetings, for interviews with clients, and for things like taking information for wills, probate, even divorce cases. Those are the kind of things that my firm deals with, and I know many lawyers are doing a lot of client meetings by video conference, which can actually be quite safe and quite productive. So this is how the practice of law is changing in 2020, and I invite you, if you have a legal problem, to contact an attorney. Don't be afraid to go to their office, because they probably are offering, as my firm does, video conferencing, telephone conferencing, email conferencing, to get to the root of and the answer to your legal issues. So stay safe, stay healthy, stay kind to each other, and I will see you next time.